oil catch can in the middle. I'm just gonna show you a step-by-step install. So the only thing you basically gonna need is a flathead screwdriver and a ratchet set. I'll let you know what size. Actually, I'll leave it down in the video what size you're gonna need. So you're gonna have to pry this piece out right here, basically with this flathead screwdriver, and also remove this hose. Not these elbow parts, but just the hose itself. And like I said, I ordered this off Amazon. I put the link down in the description. I'm gonna show you everything that came in the box. So these are like the connector pieces for the hose and the end caps. That's in that package right there. Then you got the actual oil catch can itself. And I got the red one. It was only, they had black and red, but I said, might as well just get the red, you know, the pop with the little essence of red throughout the car on the inside and on the outside. So that's why I decided to get the red. Didn't really want to get the black because it's too plain. And the two hoses. Now, I've seen a couple videos online, and it seemed like in this package they actually came the right size, because I see a lot of people, they got to cut it. If you got to cut it, you need some type of like real like garden scissors or some type of hose cutting scissor tool or whatnot. I don't have that shit, so luckily for me, these are like, they are cut to size already, but we'll see once we get into the install. And as far as inside the box, that's all that comes in there. The sticker, like I said, connectors, the end pieces, the two holes, the oil catch can itself, and it comes with these directions, which I'm actually probably not gonna really use just because, like I said, I've been watching the videos online, and it's pretty much self-explanatory. But you'd also use these instructions to, you know, refer to if you get lost, or like I said, look up a video on YouTube and look at it like this. Or here you go, you watch my video, so there you go. Video, instructions, everything came in the box. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started. First thing I'm gonna do is remove this piece right here, then the hose.
Trying to find a meaning while bobbing weaving through the eyes stacked up, 10 toes on the cement. All season, no life jacket in the deep end. Gotta keep it just for defense. Cut your life short, nigga, D-end. Them boys shooting just like movies. No auto-tune, still can get hit with little Uzis. These niggas goofy, trying to follow others doesn't move me. I do what I do best, and can't no other nigga do me. Pen to the loose leaf, rapping these facts, I do it usually. No, I don't lose sleep, niggas bout as loyal as groupies. I'm sticking solo, illuminated, let my soul glow. All black photo, knock the horse off of your polo. Everyday shit.
Alright, so I got this piece off. So this is basically like a threaded piece into this hole. So when you using a flathead screwdriver and you actually pry it off a little bit, like once you pry it off a little bit, you want to just start wiggling it out. As you can see, I knocked this piece off, but then I end up just actually removing it. So I have to push the screwdriver against here and just really pry it off. And then once you give it a good pull, it'll come out. So that's the first step. All right, for the hose part, you basically just want to pry your flathead screwdriver in each end and give it a pull. So you'd actually probably, I've seen some people actually just pull it out, but I'm gonna pry it a little bit and then give it a pull, and it should snap right out.
Find it enticing, I'm Tyson, he into typing. Battery to the back, ass niggas like energizers. Goliath to you liars, I line them up for a line of fire. Lines to inspire through the tribulations and trials. Shattered dreams in front of me, trying to pick through the peak.
Alright, so there it is. Like I said, use the flathead screwdriver to pry both ends. Give it a little pull and it's going to come right out. That took no time at all. So now I'm just going to mount the Z bracket in the hole where we removed the piece from initially and go from there. Alright, so now all you want to do is take this bolt and screw out this bag right here. Take off one spacer. Put it in the Z bracket like this. Bam. And go ahead and throw the other spacer on the other side. So it should look like this before you mount it into that hole that we showed earlier. So yeah, so just get it set up like this. Get your wrench. You're gonna need a 12mm wrench. And yep, show you how to tighten it on.
Yeah, hey, look, I don't do this shit for nothing, no, we always up to something. Jammed the 8th up in the Russian, in this world full of corruption. Aiming for the satellites until we satisfied with life. I done my wrongs, but now I right. Moving at the speed of light. Niggas gon' hate, but that's called life. Unfortunately, you can't live this shit twice, so I had to take a shot. Kissing on the dice while they sleep, I'm so grounded at the middle of the night. Ghost leave you blind, cause my future's so bright. Never been a nigga tryna take the limelight. Always stood on my own 10 for a fact. Don't be baptized to the clip, go click like yeah, you ain't fucking with my clique. Caking, but I'm never in the mix. City full of sin, but the flow heaven sent. Through them tough times, grew a rose and cement. Like Bernie Mac, who you with? When we set sail, then you can't jump shit. We just prevail, got the game in the grip. On point, never slip. Still deliver for them niggas that was down never since. I don't do this shit for nothing, no, we always up to something. Jammed the 8th up in the Russian, in this world full of corruption. Aiming for the satellites until we satisfied with life. I done my wrongs, but now I right. Moving at the speed of light.
I don't wanna be a tit for tat. Diamonds don't stun like Mick Jag. Got a fella to an image where it's this or that. Like you better pick a life cause it's this or that. Oh, gotta win your side cause the shift is fast. Don't skip the gaps. Follow for the peaks if you miss the match. Follow down the creek where the witch is at. While my tent was stashed. I been rules, don't whip the lash. Mama said, boy, better spit the facts. Better yank, young nigga, go and dip it dash. All the bottle on my split the tracks. Now I gotta go and get the pack. Smoke my last. Call a plug, nigga, like where you at? Another dime for my cataract. Say you know about my cataracts. I been quick for the middle class.
Alright, so I got this bolted in. I didn't bolt it too tight. I left it loose until I get the hoses in here. So once you get your hoses connected to the oil catch can and you got it positioned the way you want it and the hoses the way you want it, then you tighten it up to the match. But right now, just leave it loose until you get the hoses mounted into the oil catch can. Alright, next thing you want to do is you want to take these two pieces. One is going to go in here and the other one's going to go in here. So you just want to wedge these completely in to that halfway mark on both sides. And then you put the hoses on, end caps on the hoses, and then the hose on here.
Picture me rolling, they can't take it. You know we all in till we make it. Stay down till we up, it's impatient. Nah, nigga running through these different faces. Picture me rolling, they can't take it. You know we all in.
Alright, so got these pushed in. Like I said, you want to give them to that halfway mark. And now all you're gonna do is put the hoses on here, put the end caps on it, and then do this side to here and this side to here. And you're gonna have to turn this one to position it to go to a straight shot here. So I'm about to do that right now.
Make it out. For that bread, them niggas pull up to your house. He be talking on the net, see me speaking now. I don't speak on nothing I don't know about. I was broke, ain't nobody help me out. Now I'm pulling up in new shit, no more hand-me-downs. Niggas acting like I owe them, but they was around. 50s and them hundreds, know I love to count. Cause I remember days they tried to count me out. If he running up, we gon' leave him packy out. I can't quit until I'm playing with 100,000. Picture me rolling, they can't take it. You know we all in till we make it. Stay down till we up, it's impatient.
Alright, so I got both hoses on. And you just want to make sure you push them together as tight as possible on each end. And now that I got them both on, I'm just going to lift this up a little bit and tighten up the bolt down there, and then everything will be in place.
Niggas acting like they on that, but they know what's up. Bounce out with that glizzy, but I keep it tucked. Cause I was taught don't show that unless you finna bust. These niggas, they be sneaking, never speaking up. Okay, cancel with the stick, it's gon' eat him up.
Alright, so I just tightened the last bolt. That's pretty much it. All the hoses are in place, everything's snug and tight. And you just want to double check everything, make sure everything's fitted right. Like I said, we only need a socket wrench, flathead screwdriver, and this stuff just came in the box. Not really much, you know, just everything you needed for the install. Link for this is down in the description. Like I said, it came in black and red. I just went with red just because it pops a little more in the engine. And that's pretty much it.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Look, reached every goal I actually set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Look, and now I'm out here getting rich.